Let's take a look at the Tudia merge case for the Pixel 7 Pro. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a case, the Tudia merge case from Tudia for the Pixel 7 Pro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbag this case and see what it's all about. As y'all know, Tudia is one of my favorite case manufacturers here on this channel, and I absolutely love the merge. You do have Tudia branding there, and it is a two-piece case. You do have soft TPU on the inside and a hard plastic shell on the outside for added protection. Tudia products merge, designed in USA, made in China, and you do have that anti-drop protection design pattern all on the inside of the case. So without further ado, let's grab the Pixel 7 Pro. Bam, and look at that. Now this is something I haven't seen on other cases before. So 100% covered here, buttons nice and tactile, very responsive. The cutouts on the bottom are nice and precise, very responsive. The cutouts on top, this is what I haven't seen before. You do have a cutout for the mic, nice and precise. Now this is your cutout for your 5mm 5G band there. I've never seen anybody cut out that, so you are going to get excellent 5mm wave signal with this case. They straight up cut that portion out, so it is exposed, so there's no interfering with that whatsoever. And then the buttons I already mentioned, nothing on the left side of the case. You do have these rigid grooves here for added grip. Feels very nice in hand, feels very nice to the touch. A soft matted black material here. It is available in other colors, and it does wirelessly charge through the case with no issues. Also, you do have plenty of lip protection there around the back camera lens bar there, and you do have lip protection here at the bottom and top of the device, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface or on its back on a flat surface. The camera lens bar is not going to get scratched, nor is the front of the Pixel 7 Pro. If you have any questions regarding this case, please let me know down in the comments section below. Link to this product will be in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, and look at that. Slim to almost no bulk at all. Looks very, very good in hand.